निसर्गाच्या सानिध्यात समुद्रकिनारी वसलेलं देवगडमधील एकमेव ठिकाण वेदा हॉलिडेज रिसॉर्ट, जिथे लॉजिंग, रेस्टॉरंट, फॅमिली रेस्टॉरंट, प्ले गार्डन, स्विमिंग पूलसारख्या अत्याधुनिक सुविधांसोबतच मिळेल आपलेपणाचा पाहुणचार। अवश्य भेट द्या आणि आम्हाला आपल्या सेवेची संधी द्या।
दिवसागणिक वाढती कोरोनाची संख्या पाहून दापोलीमधील प्रसिद्ध फिजिशियन डॉक्टर सुयोग भागवत यांनी दापोलीमधील डॉक्टरांना आवाहन केले आहे। पाहुयात काय म्हणतात डॉक्टर सुयोग भागवत।
That we have to treat this patient as early as possible and detect the disease as early as possible. So to avoid all these complications, to avoid breathlessness, to avoid deaths which are happening on day-to-day basis now in Dapoli also, we have to make sure that we have to diagnose this patient early. So I request all the general practitioners, all the doctors around in Dapoli and around the Dapoli to diagnose this patient. As soon as a patient of fever comes to your OPD, you have to make sure that you take their antigen. If the antigen positive, you can treat them with the regular drugs like doxycycline, ivermectin, paracetamol. You can give them cough syrup, zinc, vitamin C supplements. If patient is not diabetic, you can start them on low dose of steroid to prevent the complications. You can isolate the patient. We have to make sure that that patient does not come in contact with the other patients, so that we can stop the spread of the disease. What is happening that we are giving them antibiotics and treating them for 5 days, not diagnosing them on the day 1. If we are not diagnosing them, then we won't be able to stop the spread, and if we are not able to stop the spread, we are in a situation where we as a doctors won't get any paid, our own relatives won't get any paid. So let me just urge you, don't treat the patient for typhoid or any other viral fever. Detect the patient. Antigens are now available in Dapoli. All the PHCs are doing hundreds of antigen tests on day-to-day basis. If patient is coming positive, you have to tell them how to do a home quarantine with a protocol that is set by government. So I urge everybody, please diagnose the patient as early as possible. Don't treat the patient with antibiotic. Don't give them saline. You have to make sure that you take the antigen. Don't say that patients are not willing. We cannot say that. We have to make sure that we have to do their antigen. If it is positive, isolate them, treat them early. If it is negative, if you are suspecting, go for RT-PCR. But please isolate all the patients of fever. If you are not doing that as a general practitioner, as a doctors, then you are not contributing to the treatment of this disease, and you are not contributing in the pandemic. Don't take anything personally, but this is a message which I am giving you all after taking a round in the government DCHC. Things are very bad. All the 28 patients are on oxygen. I am not sure how many are going to make out of this, and we really can't do anything because there is no definitive treatment. Please and please diagnose early, treat early and isolate. Thank you.
ताज्या बातम्या दररोज पाहण्यासाठी व्हिडिओ खालील सबस्क्राइब बटण आणि बेल चिन्हावर क्लिक करा।